what are the birds that you have kept?
This is a white albino cocktail.
Okay.
And this is sun conure, small conure, pineapple conure.
Okay, pineapple conures.
This is our lovebirds.
These are all lovebirds.
This is African lovebirds.
African lovebirds.
Yes. This is Java finches.
These are Java birds. Okay, like could you tell me the cost also for these cockatiels?
Albino cocktail 6.57 K
1,000. Okay, per pair or each?
per pair.
Per pair. Okay, what about the conures here?
Conure are 8K, 8,000.
8,000. Then the lovebirds?
Lovebirds 400
400 per pair.
per pair.
Okay. Then
2.5.
the Java? 2.5.
African lovebird
African lovebird is
2.5.
2,500. Okay.
This is Java 1,800
1,800 per
per
pair.
pair. These are Mysore birds.
These are all these birds you can get in
Mysore breed only. I will not take Kolkata breed.
Okay.
This Kolkata breed is a problem. That's why I will not take
These are all bred in Mysore.
Mysore only.
And they will survive well here.
Yes.
What are the other places where you supply?
I will supply in all over Karnataka for district.
What districts do you supply of Karnataka? Do you work in?
Karnataka, Shivamoga, Madikeri, Sanjay.
From how long you are working here?
7 to 8 years old.
From 7 to 8 years
Yes.
you are working here. So you are very knowledgeable.
Yes.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
telling me about this
Thank you.
aquarium and this showroom. Thank you once
Thank you.
again. If you wish to buy bird pets and other pets like cats and dogs or fish, you can use this contact number. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.